Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Papia Art Studio. So many of you have a question in mind that if they do not know drawing or sketching, how can they draw geometric designs over fabric directly? So today's video tutorial would be an excellent choice for you. So please save this video because in this video I am telling you how to draw geometric designs by using simple geometric instruments. Best part is even though if you do not know drawing or sketching, plus you can save money also here. If you do not have access to printing paper or you can say stressing sheet, because if you go and buy a stressing sheet or get it printed over a fabric, the karigar will charge not less than 800 depending on the city you live. Every city has their different rates, so it's quite costly. You can anyhow save money. You don't have to stress the design over the fabric directly. Secondly, if you don't have a printing block, then also no problem. By using simple geometric instruments like compass, scale, small things, whatever is available in your house, even the cap of a bottle, you can use this material or instruments to draw beautiful geometric designs. So let's get started how to draw geometric design over fabric directly. So please watch the entire video without skipping. You can watch it at 1.25 to 1.5x speed. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to Papia Art Studio with the bell on, and please do consider to like, share, comment and hype. So let's get started now to how to draw a geometric design with the step-by-step tutorial. So first of all, the instruments which is required, let's see, this is a scale, this is a scissor, this is a cotton thread, anchor company, whichever color you want, this is a compass, this is a needle, and this is a white pencil. So now what is required is a pencil and a scale. So I have drawn a rough design because I just wanted to show you how I do it. First take a scale and make a straight line, or else you can make a dot, whichever is convenient. Let's get started with the dot. So there are dots I am making of 1 inch each, which I will connect. So around 12 inches I have drawn the line. So first block I have to make. So before that I will draw a simple plain line. Do it in a light hand and then take a point of 2 inches and draw a line over here. 2 inches, draw a line here and close this box or block, making a square of 2 by 2. Then divide it into half. 2 inches half is 1 inches. So divide it. Draw another line if required, or else you can make a center point just like this. And here one center point, here one center point. Next what you need to do is take the compass, insert the white pencil. This is a simple sketch pencil. You get it in any stationery shop, online or offline. Tighten it. Then first make a circle, half circle. So just measure half an inch like this. Keep it here. Do not forget to measure and then sketch, because if you don't measure, it would be uneven. You have to repeat the same design all over the fabric. That's why you have to measure and draw every time. This is a geometric design, so we have to measure and draw it using geometric instruments. This semicircle I have drawn. Another line I have to draw, so I have to increase this to 1 inch. Now since this is already I have measured it, again I don't have to measure. This is of 1 inch from here to here, right? I have to draw a arc like this, a semicircle. Similarly, the same way I have to repeat here. Just you can measure the same size here. Keep the geometric instrument here and then sketch it like this. Similarly, increase the size to 1 inch and make a semicircle like this. So this is the design we have finally achieved. This is a geometric design without using our stressing paper or a block, even without sketching by our own hand. There is no freehand drawing. Only by using the geometric instruments we have come up with a beautiful geometric design which is applicable for any yoke or lace design or sari borders, kurta borders, tablecloth borders, bed sheet borders. Anywhere you can use this design. So keep watching. I will come up with the embroidery, how to do the embroidery also in my next video. If you like this video, please do consider to like, share, subscribe to Papia Art Studio with the bell on, comment and hype. you so much for watching.